Kyle's channel!
What was that? All the lights went out. It's scary! I'm tipping over! Boo! A ghost!
Trains work at night, too. And tonight, it's Loco's turn.
Hi, Mr. Herb.
Loco, looks like you have the night shift.
Yes, it's my first night shift, so I'm sort of nervous.
Don't be nervous. Just do what you usually do.
Okay.
It's time for you to go. I'll see you when you get back.
Okay. It's so dark, a little spooky.
Despite being afraid, Loco musters up the courage to do his job.
It's scary being all alone. No, I'm not scared. I'm not scared one bit. But it wouldn't hurt to finish quickly. What was that? All the lights went out. It's scary. I'm tipping over.
Oh no! Loco has fallen down. It's the next morning.
Loco! TITIPO. Are you okay? I heard you had an accident. Yeah. I was going fast because I was scared and I fell. That's awful. Yeah, and I have another night shift tomorrow. Oh, no. Working at night is super scary. Maybe you should talk to Danny. Danny? Who is Danny? He's a train that inspects the tracks and he works at night. So I'm sure Danny will be able to help. Come on, I'll take you to him. Okay. Follow me. Okay.
There's Danny. He's just coming out from the train wash.
I feel clean. Oh?
Danny!
Hello, Titipo.
Hello! Hello!
Oh, is he a new train?
Yup, this is Loco. Nice to meet you.
Same here. Anyway, do you guys need something?
Well, Loco is afraid to work at night. I thought you could help him, so I brought him over to meet you. Yeah, please help me, Danny.
Of course I'll help you. No problem.
Thanks, Danny!
Okay, are you ready to go?
Wait, hold on!
Oh?
I'm scared. Doesn't the dark scare you too?
No, not at all, Loco.
Wow! How come, Danny?
My job is to inspect the railroad. Oh? The tracks are bent. I should report this to Teo. Teo!
Yes, Danny?
There's a bend in the tracks toward the harbor.
Okay, got it. Thanks for letting me know, Danny.
Sure. Railroad checks have to be done before other trains go to work, so I work at night.
You work in the dark, alone?
It was spooky at first, but then it became fun working at night. That's why you shouldn't worry too much.
Yeah.
Loco follows Danny out into the night.
It's really dark. I'm scared.
Loco, why don't you sing a song?
A song?
Yes. If you sing a happy song, you won't be scared.
Doubt it.
Let's try. Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, a choo, choo. Happy, happy, so very happy. When you're happy, chug, a choo, choo, sing out loud with glee.
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, a choo, choo. Happy, happy, so very happy.
When you're happy, chug, a choo, choo, sing out loud with glee. How do you feel?
I think I feel a little better. There are no more lights. It's so dark.
Let's try and focus on something else. Like the times you had fun with your friends.
The times I had fun with my friends?
Look at the flowers. They're so pretty.
That time when we went on an outing was super fun!
See, Loco? You're not scared.
Whoa, you're right, Danny.
Told you, there are many ways to overcome fears. Oh, Loco, can you stop for a minute?
Stop? Why?
Shh. Listen, close your eyes, Loco.
Huh? Oh, Wow! What's that pretty sound?
It's grasshoppers. You can hear them on a quiet night.
It's like music!
Now look at the sky.
The sky? But there's nothing there.
Look closer.
Closer? Wow! So many stars!
Aren't they pretty?
Yes, totally! I had no idea the night was so cool!
Think you're ready to do this alone now?
Alone? I don't know. I still might be a little scared.
Really? Then why don't I tag along tomorrow?
Wow! Thank you so much!
No problem. That's what friends are for.
We're friends?
Yes, we're friends.
That's right! We're good friends!
Titipo, titipo.
Loco!
Oh, Danny! You're here early. My shift doesn't start till much later.
I know, but something urgent came up, and I don't think I can go with you tonight. Sorry.
What? You can't? This is awful.
Just remember the tips I gave you. I'm sure you'll be fine on your own, Loco.
Yeah, okay, Danny.
It's finally time for Loco to start his night shift.
I'll see you when you get back, Loco.
Okay. It's really foggy tonight. But if I do what Danny taught me to do, then it won't be scary. I've got this.
Danny is already out working.
Whew, I'm all done. I wonder if Loco is doing all right. And it's so foggy tonight. I'll go and check on him. Oh, the fog is getting thicker. I can't see anything. Oh no. I'm out of fuel. I was in such a rush that I forgot to refuel. Oh, it's a train. I need some help. Over here.
Loaded with cargo, Loco is heading back out.
It may be dark, but it's not scary. Happy, happy, so very happy. Singing a song's not helping this time. I'll think of something fun that happened.
When you're happy, chugga choo choo, chugga choo choo, sing out with glee.
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chugga choo, choo. Wow! So pretty!
Loco, we're good friends now. Help me, please!
Huh? What was that sound? What is that? It's a ghost!
Please, I need some help. I'm stuck. I can't move. Please help me.
Huh? I know that voice.
Over here.
That sounds like Danny. He must have gotten caught by a ghost.
You're all alone. No train will help you.
No, wait. Please, let me go. Let me go.
It's time to go to Ghost Train Town.
I don't want to go. Let me down.
When I needed help, Danny was there for me. All right, I'm not going to run like a coward. I'm coming, Danny. Leave Danny alone, you scary ghost train! He's my friend, and you're not taking
Oh? Loco? Loco!
Danny! Is the ghost train gone?
What? The ghost train?
Just now you were captured by the ghost train and you yelled for help.
I yelled out for help because I ran out of fuel.
But I saw the ghost train right here.
Ah, the fog must have made me look like a ghost.
It was the fog? I really thought it was a ghost. I'm so relieved.
Loco is giving Danny a tow to the fuel station.
Hey, so Loco,
Huh?
did you come to save me even though you were scared?
Yeah, I didn't want the ghost train to take you away. I was really scared, but that's what friends are for.
Loco, you were very brave.
You would do the same for me. I think I can do my night shifts alone now.
Oh, really?
Really?
Loco overcame his fear for his friend. Way to go, Loco.
Windstorms are scary.
There's an unusually strong wind this morning. Oh, look, the little trains are together.
It's super windy outside.
Yeah, it's scary.
What's so scary about a little wind? Scaredy cat.
What did you say?
We're not scaredy cats.
TITIPO! So this is where you are.
Howdy ho, guys!
Hello.
Is it as windy as it looks?
Yeah, think it might be a windstorm, so be extra careful today.
Okay.
Why? Is a windstorm dangerous?
Very. When there's a windstorm, accidents happen.
That's right. Remember what happened during the last storm? Tony was on his way to the harbor.
Oh, why is it so windy today? Oh, what's that creaking sound? The wind is too strong.
The accident shocked us all.
Yeah.
The wind tipped Tony over?
There's no way wind can push me over.
I wouldn't be so sure about that, Diesel.
A windstorm can even knock down a mountain.
Really? Diesel, don't you have to go to work soon?
Oh, that's right. Poor Diesel.
A little bit of wind doesn't scare me.
Diesel,
Yes, Mr. Herb.
you're scheduled for the quarry today, but the weather is terrible. Think you can make it?
No problem.
You're really gonna go?
Yep, I'll see you later.
Be careful out there.
Don't worry, Diesel is on the move.
You'll be fine, right?
Yeah.
The wind has gotten stronger, and it has started to rain.
I hope Diesel's all right.
All this rain is going to make the track slippery.
Diesel's a tough freight train. I'm sure he's fine.
He's right, so don't worry, you guys.
Okay. It's scary.
Fix,
Huh?
Yes, Mr. Herb.
There's been a landslide on the tracks to the quarry. A train is trapped and can't move an inch. Your assistance is needed.
We're on our way, Mr. Herb.
What's going on?
There's been a big landslide near the quarry. A train is trapped there and can't move without help.
Nearby the quarry?
You don't think it's Diesel, do you?
We won't know which train it is until we get there.
Let's go. Come on, Lift.
Okay.
What if it's Diesel?
Somebody please help me.
Oh, I'm so worried.
Jeannie, let's go see Mr. Herb now and ask him if Diesel's all right.
Okay.
Diesel. Diesel? Oh dear. I can't get a signal in this windstorm.
The rain's really coming down. Let's get this done fast.
Unable to hear Mr. Herb's radio signal, Diesel continues to the quarry.
This is bad. I must tell Diesel that his shift has been canceled.
Mr. Herb!
Oh?
Mr. Herb!
What's the matter?
We're worried about Diesel. Is he at the quarry?
Because of this storm, I can't get a hold of Diesel.
Really, sir? This is terrible. Then it must be Diesel that had that accident.
Mr. Herb!
Oh, Fix!
We just got Tony out now.
We're taking him to the production plant.
All right, good job.
The train that was in the landslide was Tony.
Then why isn't Diesel responding?
Mr. Herb, you don't think something happened to Diesel, do you?
Let's see. Diesel? Diesel! The radio's not working. If I get through, I'll let you know. It's dangerous to be out now, so go to your quarters and wait.
Yes, sir. Diesel.
Ah, Jeannie, let's go out and look for Diesel.
What? But Mr. Herb told us to wait in our quarters.
We'll find Diesel, bring him back, and Mr. Herb doesn't have to know.
Do you even know where Diesel is?
He was going to the quarry, so let's head over there.
Okay.
Titipo, Genie.
Setter, where are you going?
I was going home, but then I saw you guys. So where are you two going?
Oh, actually, we're on our way to find Diesel because we can't reach him.
If Mr. Herb knows we went out, he'll be worried, so don't tell him.
What?
We'll be back soon!
Oh, hey guys! Be careful!
Titipo, Titipo!
I finally made it.
Oh, Diesel! Work has been canceled because of the windstorm. Didn't you get the message?
What? Work's canceled? Oh, my radio must not be working because of this weather.
You should hurry home, Diesel.
Whoa! I can't believe the wind made the rocks fall. Fix and Lift were telling the truth before.
Diesel! Where are you? It's so scary.
Diesel's probably more scared because he's alone. So let's hurry and find him.
Yeah? Diesel! Diesel!
Diesel is back in Choo-choo Town.
Diesel, what about Titipo and Genie? Oh, what about them? They went out looking for you earlier. They went outside in this terrible windstorm? You must have just missed each other. Diesel, the weather's really bad now, so go home and wait there. Titipo, Genie... Setter, I'm gonna go and look for them. Oh, Diesel!
Diesel! Where are you? I have an awful feeling that something happened to Diesel.
No, Genie. I'm sure Diesel is fine. Let's be strong and keep on looking.
Okay.
Titipo! Genie! I hope nothing happened to them while they were looking for me. I know, I'll blow my horn. Titipo and Genie might hear it. Hey, guys!
He's not over here either.
Oh.
Hey, what's that sound?
It's a horn.
Let's go see.
Okay.
Titipo! Genie!
Diesel!
Oh. Hey, guys!
Diesel! Wow, we finally found you!
We were so worried about you.
Me too. When I found out you were looking for me, I was so shocked.
Thank goodness we're all okay.
You're right.
Come on, let's hurry back to Choo-choo Town.
Okay.
I think the rain's dying down now. That's a good sign.
Yeah. Oh, stop! We almost crashed into the containers.
What do we do? They're blocking our way.
How are we going to get back to town now?
The containers look really heavy.
I have a great idea!
Idea?
Titipo, Genie, and Diesel link up with each other.
If we link up and join forces, I'm sure we can push past even heavy containers!
You're right. By linking up, we become stronger.
Hey, good thinking, Titipo. Now let's work together and push these containers.
You got it!
Ready? 1, 2, 3!
We're through! Wow!
We did it, you guys!
Thank goodness it worked! Oh, look up! The sun's out!
Wow!
Wow!
I guess the windstorm has passed.
It looks like it.
Yeah, now let's hurry home!
I'm worried. Where could they all have gone? Huh?
We're back, Mr. Herb.
Oh, good grief. You're all right.
Yes.
Tell me what happened.
Titipo and Genie went out to rescue me.
And then Diesel went out to look for us!
Did any of you get hurt? I was so worried.
I'm okay, Mr. Herb.
We're okay too.
That's a relief. However, you went out without telling me.
Yeah.
I specifically told you to stay in your quarters, didn't I?
We won't disobey orders anymore!
We're so sorry. You know what?
Thank
I saw a
goodness
huge
Diesel is
waterfall
all
because
right.
of the wind.
But you should always be careful in bad weather.
Checkups are scary!
The little trains of Choo-choo Town are busy working as usual. Titipo is on his way to work too.
Okay, let's go to work! Why am I shaking so much? Thank goodness it stopped. Hi, Diesel. Are you done for the day?
Yeah. How about you? Are you starting?
Yup. Guess you had a hard day.
Yeah. But I'm done with work now, so I can finally get some rest.
I'm so glad. Not again.
What's the matter?
I think something's wrong. I keep shaking.
You should go to Teo and get a checkup.
Checkup? What's a checkup?
Oh, that's right. You haven't gotten a checkup yet. I'm gonna have some fun with him. A checkup is something very scary.
It's very scary?
It's super scary. Ah! Oh, I'm so dizzy. For checkups, you have to be upside down. Then Teo gives you a shot with a big needle.
Diesel, it's time for your shot.
My shot? I'm so scared.
I'm sorry, but you have to get this shot.
Good thing I'm brave, so I take it like a real champ.
It's that bad?
It is. The other trains can't handle the pain.
Diesel,
Yes, Mr. Herb.
I need to see you.
Be right there. Wonder what he wants. Later, buddy. Good luck on your checkup.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, checkup sounds super scary.
Hi, Mr. Herb.
Good, you're here. I've a favor to ask.
What kind of favor?
A train bound for the harbor has broken down and it can't move. So I'm afraid I have to ask you to go.
Me? I don't want to go. Should I pretend I'm sick?
I think something is wrong.
Yeah, that's perfect. I don't feel very good.
Are you sick, Diesel?
I'm not really sure. I think I need to get a checkup first.
Oh, then go see Teo right away.
Okay.
Oh, hang on, Diesel.
What?
Fix, lift.
Yes, sir.
Can you take Diesel to the production plant?
I keep on shaking. What should I do? I don't want to get a checkup.
TITIPO,
Yes?
it's almost time for your route.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Herb.
Why are you shaking like that?
I am.
I think you need to get a checkup before your route.
A checkup?
Yes. Hurry to Teo and ask for a checkup.
Okay. Bye, Mr. Herb.
TITIPO follows Mr. Herb's orders and goes to the production plant.
Diesel, you okay? Are you in pain?
Where does it hurt?
Where? Well, here and there. They can't find out that I'm faking.
Fix.
Oh, copy, Mr. Herb.
There's been an accident in the quarry. Drop Diesel off and go straight to the site.
Yes, will do, sir.
Accident? Hey, you should go now. I can take care of myself.
You sure you'll be okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Then, Checkups.
Choo-choo.
Checkups.
Choo-choo.
Let's go.
Oh, Teo, I'm in so much pain.
I've run the tests, and everything's fine.
How can that be? I'm in serious pain here.
I'm so scared. That sounds like Diesel. The checkup must be extra painful. Forget it. I'll just go to work. I'm tired.
TITIPO,
Hello, sir. I'm shaking again.
oh, are you sick?
Oh no, I'm fine. I have to go now. Just leave. Titipo, Titipo.
Best nap ever.
Diesel,
Hey, Teo.
do you feel better now?
Yes, I feel a whole lot better now.
Good. You can go back to work then.
Work? Oh, no. Oh, the pain has come back again. I think I need to rest a bit more.
Huh? Something doesn't add up.
This is the last stop. Phew, I'm done. I'm so tired. Why have I stopped suddenly? I have to call Mr. Herb for help. Mr. Herb! Mr. Herb! Oh no! My radio must be broken too! This is bad!
Oh dear, TITIPO is broken down.
TITIPO? TITIPO? Why isn't he responding?
We're back, Mr. Herb.
Good work. But have you seen TITIPO today?
No, I haven't. Is something wrong?
He's not responding to my calls.
TITIPO? Yes, we'll keep an eye out.
What's wrong with TITIPO?
I don't know. We can't reach him. He was supposed to get a checkup.
Oh, no! Oh, is this because of me? Teo, I'll be back real soon.
Diesel? Where's he going right now?
Worried about TITIPO, Diesel goes out to look for him.
Where could he be? Huh? TITIPO!
Diesel!
Are you okay?
I can't move at all!
I'll give you a tow. Just hold on.
Yeah.
Gotcha! Let's go, Titipo!
Thank you, Diesel.
Mr. Herb!
Diesel!
Titipo had broken down on the rails. I'm taking him to the production plant.
Huh? Diesel, but aren't you feeling sick too?
I'm fine. I feel much better now.
I'm glad. Then take good care of TITIPO.
Will do, Mr. Herb. Let's hurry, Titipo.
Okay.
Teo! Where is he? I'll go look for him. Wait right here.
Okay. Hold on, Diesel.
What?
I don't think I can handle getting a checkup. It's way too scary.
Don't be scared. Checkups don't hurt at all.
But you said they were painful before.
I did, but I was kidding. I'm sorry, Titipo.
No, you weren't. I heard you in here this afternoon yelling that it hurt.
Oh. Aha! Oh, that. I was just pretending to be sick.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, I didn't want to work, so I was faking it.
So then, getting checkups aren't painful at all?
Yeah, not one bit.
Okay then, I'm ready for my checkup.
Diesel!
Teo!
What was that?
Mr. Herb!
Pretending to be sick? You have some explaining to do. Hey, but first, you should start TITIPO's checkup, Teo.
Sure. All done.
Oh, I'm finished already?
Mm-hmm. It didn't hurt, right?
Right. Oh, wow. I hardly felt anything at all.
From now on, you must get regular checkups.
Yes, Mr. Herb.
Happy ending.
As for you, Diesel, how could you fake being sick?
That wasn't nice. I was worried the whole day.
I'm so sorry. I won't do that ever again.
Teo, Mr. Herb, if Diesel hadn't rescued me, I would have been in trouble. And it was Diesel that convinced me to get the checkup, and now I'm better.
Titipo.
He has a point. Diesel did do some good things today.
Diesel, I'll forgive you just this once, you hear?
Thank you.
I'm so glad, Diesel.
However, you still deserve punishment. I'm putting you on cleaning duty.
What?
I'll inspect your work in the morning, so better get cleaning.
I thought you were forgiving me.
That's what you get for lying.
Thanks to Diesel, TITIPO finally got his checkup. But Diesel, no more faking.